My beautiful people, and welcome back to Alazaes Beauty. Now today I will be doing a quick little review of the It's My RayeRaye by BH Cosmetics. This is a nice little collab, and let me go ahead and show you guys the back packaging. Alright, and let me go ahead and slide it because it slides, which is pretty cool. Alright, and let me open it up. Alright, so right here you have the contour, the highlights, and then you have the colors, and I still kept these on. Oh boy. Okay, there you go. I still kept these on the little plastic that goes on top of it. To me, just to keep the makeup, still clean and fresh, so they don't mix and mingle. And it also comes with the mirror on top right here. But one thing I definitely want to say I love about this palette, because at first I was actually looking for something, because I will be traveling to Mexico pretty soon. I will be doing a vlog on that one, so you have to check it out. I haven't been there in so long. But anyways, yeah, I was trying to find a palette or something so I don't have to, take stuff and travel with a bunch of makeup. I want to try to keep it easy and quick and easy. But I found this one, and I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. And this is my first BH Cosmetic palette. And it's kind of cool because it's a duo with a YouTuber, which is pretty cool. And then this one has the eyeshadows right here. And then it has, like I said, the shimmers for the highlights and the contour. And I must say, I definitely like this palette. It comes with the shimmers and the eyeshadow. So it's pretty much like all in one. So you don't have to really worry about, bringing extra makeup, which I like. And I love that this looks pretty much good in any kind of skin tone. Because the shadows is what I'm wearing today. So, which is pretty cool. Which is, I'm using, let me try to flip it so you guys can see. I'm actually using these three right here. Plus the purple one right here. And it's like reddish. I don't know if it looks orange on the camera. I can't really tell. But it's kind of like a reddish orange. Something like that. It's pretty cool. And you have shimmers, which I like. This is pretty cool. So you have your mattes and your shimmers, which is nice. And, of course, for the contour, then you have these. And I ain't gonna lie. At first, when I seen this one, what is the name on this one? Moonlight. I was like, oh, that's, it's too bright, too white for me, especially for my skin complexion. But then when I swatched it, let me see if you guys can see it. Let me try to do. Okay. But then when I swatched it, I don't know if you guys could tell on here. It's like a nice yellow, like a nice goldish yellow, I don't know. And that's what I'm wearing actually on here, which I like. And it's pretty good. I was like, whoa, you don't even need to add no extra anything to this, which I like. So, you hear my baby in the background. That's him just, being a little extra right now. But I definitely recommend this. It's $22 at Ulta, and if you use at $3.50 off, it's even cheaper and affordable. And I must say, I love it. At first, I was like, let me see. But once you apply it, I like it. But one thing I did want to say for girls who are a little bit lighter in complexion, like for me, I'm not too light or, too dark in complexion, but the contour, I like to use this one for all around the face. But then this one I like to use on the side for the deeper contour. But a little bit goes a long way. Because if you put a lot, this thing does show. So it is like boom. So it looks nice, but just, make sure you build it up if you like. Because you never know. It might be a little too dark or too light. And even if you're a little bit darker complexion, just be careful. Because it is a little deep. So, but I got to say I like it. So I definitely highly recommend it. And I remember the one that had asked me if it was good to buy was actually Purple. I don't know if you know who Purple is from Purple and Blue TV, but if you guys haven't subscribed to their channel, please do so. And I must say, I love the palette. So highly recommend it. Affordable, and the makeup looks great. And I also wanted to give a big thanks to Vanity Girl for giving me the opportunity, to collab with them with the mirror. Oh, sorry. Let me show you guys. If you guys didn't see it on my Instagram, let me take it out. Okay, which was this one. And I did also a review on this mirror. Let me show you guys. And originally it's 59, sorry. 59. And this is the mirror right here. I did a review, so I will link it down below if you guys haven't seen it. This right here, and you can see. And then you flip it over like this. And bam. And it lights up. Let me show you, because you guys haven't seen it. It will light up. Bam. But I definitely highly recommend this mirror This is great for traveling or just to have. Like if you don't have the big mirrors, like I said before, definitely purchase this one. This is a must-have mirror. I love it. I'm telling you, this, I think, is one of the best things I bought this year. I love it. So definitely highly recommend this mirror. And thanks again to Vanity Girl Mirror. And for Miss RayeRaye, girl, you did a heck of a job on this. So definitely I want to give you props because this is a great palette. It has like pretty much a full force. So, alright, well that was my review. A quick review just to let you know how I felt about it. I was going to do swatches and all that, but then, you know, there's a lot of people already have done reviews on it. So I was like, let me just give you guys the inside scoop of what I thought about, you know, the palette. And I will post like the little pictures so you guys can see swatches of it. But definitely recommend. And thank you for watching. And don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.